So let's do another example for resultant forces of couples. So if you notice, I've got two forces acting, one going up, one going down. Each one of those is 300 newtons. I have forces going down and then one going up of 400 newtons. And then I have going to the right and going to the left here is 200 newtons, and that's 0.2 meters away from each other. So we are asked to find the resultant force of, let's do resultant moment of the forces that are acting on this fixed beam. So if I was to do this really quick, I could do this really fast. I could look at these two red, and I'm going to have some moment acting here, and it's going to be rotating clockwise. My green one is going to be rotating counterclockwise, and my purple forces here are going to be rotating clockwise as well. So my clockwise, so it'd be 300 newtons, and the distance between those two is 5 meters, which is going to be lined up to be 1500 newton meters. Alright, the 400 newton meters times, and that has a distance of 2 meters between them, that's going to be 800 newton meters. And then my last two forces cause a couple about that point right there, and that's going to be 200 newtons times 0.2 meters, which is going to be 40 newton meters. Now, if I'm going to say this, if I sum my moment about any point on this beam, any point, doesn't matter, we'll say A, we'll say we're doing it about that point A. We say that counterclockwise is positive. So if counterclockwise is positive, this would be negative, and this would be negative since they are both rotating clockwise. So this would be 1500 newton meters negative plus 800 newton meters minus 40 newton meters is all equal to 0. So if we did that really quick, we would say 1500 minus 800 plus 400, so it's 1100. Oh, I messed that up. Let's do that one more time. So it's going to be 800 minus 1500 minus 40 is be 740. So it's going to be 740 newton meters would be my moment resultant. So all I did was I turned these into their couple resultant forces, sum them up, and I come up with my resultant moment. So really this moment resultant would be on the fixed beam. If I had my reaction forces here, this would be moment about A. That is the moment to hold this in equilibrium. So that's what this is we're solving for. Okay, if you have any questions on couples, let me know. I can do some more examples. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, but if you're having difficulties, let me know and I can put something together. Alright, thank you.